Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a package on Everfit Marketplace. First, to navigate to the packages is going to be the last tab here on the left-hand side. And there's two ways to do this. One, you can duplicate any package you've previously created on the Everfit platform by clicking the drop-down arrow here and duplicating an existing package. From here, you can choose the package you want to duplicate. Once you have duplicated it, you can still edit it before you publish it up on the marketplace and people can purchase from there. If you want to create a new package, you can do that as well. You first give it a name, and you can set everything up yourself. So here, if you want to, you add your own image. By adding a sequence, this is like selling something that the client will automatically have access to when they purchase this package. So here, for example, if I want to sell a 6-week training program, I would add that into the sequence. You can go ahead and set your own price. We have one-time payments or recurring subscriptions. With the recurring subscriptions, you can have it recur monthly or weekly. You can have it end after a certain amount of time automatically, and you can allow trial periods as well. Once you set the price and add a little description, you can go ahead and publish your package on your marketplace profile, and then people can purchase from there. Thank you all for watching. Hopefully this is helpful.